Good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. What we're going to do now is we're going to move our file from Blender 2.79 to 2.9. So now what we're going to do is select the sun and the lights and the camera and press X to delete them. Then select all the project and press Ctrl C to copy. Then you go back to the Blender 2.79, select everything, press X to delete and press Ctrl V to paste the project. So now we have it here now. As you can see, we have it here now. Yes. So now what we're going to do is we continue from here. So let's go to right view. What you can see, the picture we have here is not there anymore. So now we can quit this one and we continue with this and press Ctrl A, Shift A, sorry, to add a new image, which is background image, and go to where you have your reference images. I think I have mine here, which is this. So now we have it here. It's not much. Just press X to scale it up until when it looks perfectly okay. So when it looks perfectly okay, yeah, I think it's okay now. So now what we're going to do now is we're going to be modeling this seat, the seating, and to do that we're going to use an let's split the screen into two, and we'll go to top view, which is 7. Here you can select everything and hide. Then on top view now we press Shift A and go to background image and go to BMS back and go to setting. I think I have reference image that's going to match, which is this. Yes. So now we got this. Now. So what we're going to do now is press Shift A and add a plane. Let's go to wireframe. Add a plane. Then we go to edit mode. So now we select this G and C to bring it down. And let me select this also. Let G upward. Okay. Let me open this to move up. So now we can move it up all the way. And now what we're going to do now is we add some loops. Press Ctrl R and add as many as you like. I'm going to add 6. I think 6 is okay. 6 is okay. So what we're going to do now is select this, press X and zoom it in a little bit to match with the reference image. Select this as well, zoom it in, select them all. Let me just fast it and do it. Yes, now. So to know whether it match, what we're going to do is add a modifier to subdivision surface. And now we can check if it match up or not. Add as to, as you can see, this place got a little problem here. There's no well match. So press X to zoom it out. Here press X to zoom it in a little bit. Just to do some corrections. Just keep doing it until it look perfectly okay for you. Now let's see how it look. Yeah, it look okay. So now what we're going to do now is come back here, press 3, then let's bring back everything. Okay, now coming back. Okay, what we're going to do is, I think I need to unlock this image. Yeah, then we select this and move it up all the way. Sorry, the image is too shiny. Let's reduce it a little bit. The opacity up to 0.5 is okay. So now we go back to our object, select it, then select it all A, and now we scale it until it match with the reference image. Don't mind this, we're not going to be using this anymore. We only use this to build up the shapes. Add it a little bit, then press X, scale it down a little bit more, then bring it up here, and press X again, and uh, sure it look perfectly okay. I think it's good now. So now what we're going to do now is select this edge and let's unlock it here also. Now bring it down to match with the reference image. Then select here also. Then select this. Like this. This one. Just need to keep selecting until it look perfectly okay. Okay, let's match with the reference image one. Then match with the reference image. Yeah, it look good now. Oh, I think here is not too good. So now what we're going to do is let's select the edges. To do that, we have to turn off this and use the lines. Let's select it all and press E to extrude down a little bit, and unselect the vertex again, and select this. So press Z and go to wireframe. Try to be select easily. Then press C, select everything here. Okay, sorry. Right turn of this and use only the vertex. Let's press C right, to select everything in this place. Then bring it up a little bit. Oh, my bad. Press Z and go to wireframe. Then press C, select it. Make sure you select everything on this. Then double tap G, bring it up. bring it out a little bit, and I think this one look okay. There's a little correction here, press it and press it, then can bring it out, smudge. So now what you're going to do is select all of this and press E again, bring it down, then go to rearrange, give up like this, be sure it's curved, then this, also select this, bring it down all the way here, select this, bring it down all the way, select this, oh sorry, do not select this here also, bring it down all the way. I'm using button C to select, so let me turn on the shift key. Why isn't my key coming up? Okay, it's coming up now. And you see it in a little bit. I think it's okay now. It's okay now. So now let's view how it look. Wow, this is what we got now. And if we look at the reference image, this is what we got. Like this place is down, it's coming down. So now to do that, what we're going to do is select all of this. Deselect it. Let's go back, press D and go to solid. Then select the front view. Okay, we can see use the Z. Then press C, select them all of these, and bring it down like this. Then press X, zoom it out. Yep, scale it out. And this is what we got. Then double tap G, bring it down a little bit. Yeah, I think it's okay now. So now what we're going to do again is select the top ones. Select the top and press X, scale it in a little bit. Yeah, looks perfectly okay. But this place is not too good. And bring it up like this. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And it looks okay. So now what we're going to do next is select the edges here, all the edges here, and press. Let me show you how. Press E, left click, then press X to scale it in a little bit. I think it's much like this. Let's get it in a little bit. And what we're going to do is let deselect this one, let deselect this and this. So now we scale again, then deselect this and this, select this and this, then we scale again. Yep. Now we can correct it. Just give to reset it. Yep. I think it looks perfectly okay now. So now we select it again and press E, release, and then we bring it in a little bit. Yep. Let's bring it up again. No, just make sure it's now coming up. Let's go to wireframe. See, deselect this place. Bring it up again. Yep. So now select everything and press E, then press X, skeleton, then E and S again, skeleton, then you press F to clean face. So now this is what we got, and I think it looks perfectly okay now. So let's go to object mode, press W to shade smooth, and now this is what we got. So we just need to do some cleanup here. Let's add look out here. Just bring it down a little bit. Add to some other places. See how it's gonna look. Yeah, it's bad. Let's leave it like this. I think it looks perfectly okay like this. Yeah. So now let's go to side view and see how it looks. Press Alt A to bring back everything. And now this is what we got. So what we're going to do now is select this and go to edit mode. Select this face and press I niche as well to extrude in a little bit. Then go back to the side view and press E. Event, go in, then extrude again and press S. Then extrude again, bring it up all the way in. So now this is what we got. And see, I think we're through with the setting. Yeah, I think we're through with the setting. So now not to slow the object down. I think, wow, that look quite okay. So I think we're going to stop here for the setting and see you in the next video. Thank you.